We're here at IBC and we're revealing the Anywhere architecture. So for us, this is a big move. Historically, people who've adopted our tools, they maintained the project locally on their machines. And that's fine, but if you're in a complex workflow where you have a lot of people working together, it can get very complex to keep track of where is the master, the truth, the story. So with Anywhere, what we do is we introduce two key components. All of the project information now becomes centralized in a robust system. And surrounding that is what we have is processing nodes that can provide the user with the ability to see high-resolution media that may be stored maybe a few yards away, but maybe a few thousand miles away. So what we generate from that high-resolution media is a viewing stream, and all of the processing is now centralized. So this is great. You can bring together a work group that allows people to work more efficiently, so you can bring people from different locations together, and that actually allows you to take the best talent and apply them to the job no matter where they are. So for Anywhere, it's a big push forward, centralizing media and making your location irrelevant. Wherever your media is, doesn't matter. You can still get to it, and it feels like it's local.
So who's your target customer base for that?
Well, I think if we look at the people who are needing this type of workflow, the segments that need this type of workflow, three of the big ones are broadcast. One of the things that broadcasters are driving towards is, as well as servicing all the different screens, which is part of the reason they turned to Adobe in the first place, is efficiency. Many of their locations were built around a transmitter historically. Today, they're a networked virtual enterprise. So what they want to do is have people in all the locations working together, have people in the field being able to access all the media back at the headquarters. So that's one segment. Post-production has become global. Many post houses now have presence on 1, 2, or 3 continents. And what they want to do is leverage the resources through these different locations, as well as on-set back to the post-facility workflows. And education is the third segment where we see a lot of demand for this. The students today, if you look at them, they work with their MacBook Pros and they're hauling around their media with them. And the teachers have to sort of move media to the teacher to get it evaluated. This type of architecture provides a centralized location where everything is just in one location.